ialehkai sports kam de setia tangga kam manyo takma kadai ke jingtai ya ke jinglong briew hynrei ke trei shitom bat ka kentiu ya ke jinglong renti bat janai ong menteri rangba ke jela ukonrat ki sangma hakmat ki palat katsan hajarngut ki bakentup ke nong ialehkai bat ki bawan pet kai ha ke ialehkai kabala penlong ha wayajer multi sports complex joai hak sengi balang na kabenta ke jingpli ya ke 6 Meghalaya Games Arajar Arpusan. Haba ajingkran umatri rangba olapan bena bakani sorkar ke pemenda kejubu samla hakmat. Hakino kino kikam bakale bakajing penlong yakum kini kilempung kan sei berthei ya kisap jongki bat ban kentiu bat penjana ya kejingla kum kiriu shimen. Ulang kisamla kidei ke benda ke bakongsan bah hak jing tau polisi jongki. Barok kiskem kiba kum ke sorkar ke pentrai kam kerpang na ke benda ke Meghalaya Games. Bat kumju na ke benda ki Southli ki Lempung, ialehkai ki Balajia, hakapor jongkani ke sorkar ke bamenda. Ki pen iya ke jingshim kia jongkani ke sorkar, ya ki samla ha ke jelah.
Won several gold, silver medals in international, national and state level championships. A big round of applause for the contingent of Southwest Australians. Takma, specialization sports is taekwondo, winning the gold medal in the 3rd National Open Karaoke.
West has his. Live higher, live on.
Can we hear louder applause, please, for all the athletes? Approaching us now, the athletes from West Giantia Hills. And the flag bearer is Shri Rinaldi Thar. And the sports discipline is athletics. And he has won gold medal in the 4x400 meter mixed relay in the
Meghalaya Games man usnam. Barhabangi perkhat lada pipet Southli niki Meghalaya Games kibla along kilong hakin kisan snam. Berkani ketika edition ke hynrei berhabangi perkhat ia kata rai ke bau mengingi shim nak bentaban perlong ia ketika Meghalaya Games man usnem kedai ke rai ke bangi shim nak benta kikun samla kijungi kibedon ia kata kasap kabaidai berke sports namar ni sutu syai bakung ke sorkar ngidon kam ia ke bangin play lat play lenti nak benta kini kikun samla kibedon ia kata jingit ke bakerpang kabaidai berke sports bangi kirman bahkan ni kerensan ke bangi ai kini kikun samla kijungi kibaya sim mentah ki sports ki prepare bahkan ni kerensan ke pemangi ngi ai kanumlong ke baleno hynrei ni donru ia kata thong ia ka ba lesi sansnem si posnem hadin ngini i bagini ki ju ki samla ki besim benta kan 6 Meghalaya Games min se i ki hadin sansnem lane si posnem yo lesi ngini i ki ia ka bakin job hadu ke Olympics ni kwa ia ka bangini i ki bakin kio akabaidai berke sports akan gejala ke sini nakaliang ke jonga nakaliang jong ke sorkar kumungi juang ki ke bangile kerpang habaidai berke sports kalong bed nak benta ban kentiu iki samla akan gejala ke sini
angurlong to lembak kejing mayau chim sarwem bromli ke giant hills kyongi kantam dawan ragi kini 6 Meghalaya Games akan diketau kini man ko wi to ke benta ko yoy ke lat ke sport ko yu penicem hawarok grijan so mani kam sepayu kau separa kami deman kata hakan Meghalaya Games ko brom yongi Kajing kuplay gua kerpang yung mawailat mikicelau lokal mali yung katang juai. Ringkat wa warok member yung sport association ko po state mikalia kudu tim kia. Kudu kia de gimana pemanu penurung ini program go fit. Kirong ba cunong gua muram kudu amtalang nanu na juai do wajar mukla terter. Kudu isau bahai ki hall iki tau ki bau yung pigir pun koi kudu pentak. Daman keburan bilang iwarok kam gereja dia. Meba mumpai berkaruan karkinik events. Hynrei ikam kusor kare medok kami ke fokus. Umani ukamon percangi upenijan ki paiba upenijan wegorok gerijens. Hakini ki senyam buridak daman kini mikale game to hatura. Ni wan ra government ke jinjim rai kabinet surok ke tim kabinet wan rai hajan hilson. Next year murai cikitan benta wa kejimut ke sarkar kami menyau yang ini wan ki tribes. Kasi garo penarumani kam sepenuh para. Kami fokusi wakamon upen kuye ke sport sektor kenangwa uman le cipenta kam ke privilege uman ke sport industries. Ya Allah ikon kendro kenor tu ngop hakikan kubaman. Jam yul berkaman gani man ke district man ke head district headquarter ki artificial of them. The whole lot sarkar pembiang ika infrastructure karu iwalai tanggong mo de biang load Hynrei. Yes, we are trying our best as a government. Sakawile ya kecunong wa ajarai kublay na sao tuo karu ko program man hangan ke cunong yung ijan sao tuo kam ki he cunong kam tam ki tim yung piwaro ni isi cunong do tiak do dembi de sao bhai wo boro mungsin. Dai biu ka baru ka met dai biu ka yara pagiliang waro war kawi ko sao sugdu au yo sao nagi partisipan kura kuan ong kita kecilong wa ajer namu e gaine kita to ko sao mendu nga kau amene yung pi. Also I would like to thank all the participants who participate in this 6 Meghalaya game, and which is the best part, it is unite us, it make us unite from all the 3 regions, the Garo Hill region, the Khasi region and the Jaintia region. We are coming together as a brother and sister. That is the only way we are able to bring our beloved state into a greater height. The mission of our Chief Minister, he is also focused tourism, sport, and all the important sector. Because why? When we take our government in 2018, yes, with due respect, there are so many drawbacks here and there, especially in the sports sector. But thank you so much, sir. Under your leadership, we have seen that we have proved it as a government. Sports sector today is one of the most important department in the state of Meghalaya. Kipai ba sekigi ngaju ongo uraj katu to bundu kena putih ke sarkar jan mutu ke medan tau tahap ti ni ton tahap ti woro mutu tu kena putih do ni nak liang ni ngam kwa plom slam ni bai por memde nelaw de slam lepai kam sofa sampa menit hana nyau rap kerpang yau chief girl songi nak liang ni ngam I wish you all the best unity wa gani Meghalaya games come to opening ini your man go success. Your man go job. I wish all the best your rocky participant.
I am very happy to be part of this opening ceremony of the 6th Meghalaya Games. The very outset, I would like to congratulate many people. Our Honorable Minister for Sports, his entire team that have made the arrangements and this particular program a possibility. Our MLA, who has worked day and night, the members of the MSOA, the members of the different associations, and all the other stakeholders who have contributed to making the 6 games
what it is today. We have always mentioned to all of you that the youth are a very, very important part of our policy making, of the schemes that we implement, of the work that this government does. And this particular games and the 4 games that happened during the tenure of this government is a testament of this commitment to our youth. We have ensured that these games have been held on a rotation basis because we believe that every region has got its strengths. We believe that the youth of our state must interact and visit different parts of our state. We believe that every region, every district must be developed and given the opportunity to host games like these. Friends, today, with the hosting of this game, a lot of infrastructural development has taken place in Jawai area and West Jaintia Hills as a whole. Whether it's road construction, whether it's improvement of buildings, whether it's construction of massive stadiums like these, all investments have gone in which have made a difference. And therefore, we are committed to ensuring that our games continue and continue on a rotation basis. Is investment in our youth. This is not just a sports event. This is about building the character of our future generation. Playing sports is not just about winning a medal. Playing sports and participating in such games is about discipline, is about hard work. It's about accepting defeat, learning from that defeat, and improving your skills. It is about building character. It is about bringing our athletes to different parts of the state. I'm sure there are many of you who must have visited Jawai for the first time, visited Jaintia Hills for the first time. And I'm sure there were many of you who had visited Trei last year for the first time. We want to build up that unity among our people. It's about culture, learning about different tribes, different communities and their way of life. I wish all the athletes the very best. As I said, it's not about or only about winning. It is about becoming a better person. It's about participating. It's about enjoying these moments. These memories will be with you forever. And maybe one of the best memories you will have. Cherish these moments. Enjoy these moments. And one small request. Learn to respect each other. And it's a very simple thing. I would want the athletes who are coming out here, I hope that you will learn about each other's cultures, language, different aspects. I hope that our athletes from Garo Hills will start dancing to the tune of Kong Uwo when they go back. I hope that you will visit some areas, some villages in Jaintia Hills, maybe some tourist locations. Learn more about Jaintia Hills and our culture. And the only way that we will be able to grow as a state is when there is respect and there is unity among each and every one of us. And respect is very simple. it is how you would want others to treat you. When we go to another district next time, how we would expect them to treat us. We should ensure that's how we treat them when they are here and treat each other with respect. So I wish all of you the very best. I have seen just great potential in all of you. I'm sure that these games will be a great success. I wish each and every athlete the very best, not just for these games, but for the future and for your lives and for your career in the future also. Government is providing huge incentives, infrastructure, like never before to develop sports. We will continue to do that because that is our commitment to the youth of our state. That is a commitment that we've given to each and every one of you who is present out here. It is my honor to declare the 6th Meghalaya Games as open.
Pine,